Hello everyone, in this video we will see that how we can add a profile picture or any picture in a Excel cell. So what you have to do, you have to click on the cell in which you want to insert picture, then click on insert, then you have to click on illustration, then there is option picture. If you want to place in cell, then select this option. If you want to expand your picture over cells, then you can select this this option. So I want to place this in cell, so I will click on this place in cell and this device. Click on this device and then you have to select the profile picture which you want to insert here. So I want to insert this picture here, for example. So you can see now it is placed in a cell. If I expand this cell, so this picture will also expand, and I can copy it. I can paste this, or I can cut this, whatever you want to do, like you can do with your data. Now this picture will act as your data. You can see here it is showing picture. Thank you.